Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to add taxes to invoices in Wave. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time, so let's just get straight into it. When you need to charge taxes on your goods or services, adding them to your invoice in Wave is a breeze, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, in the invoice settings, you want to go to taxes and then click on add tax to configure your tax rates. You can add multiple tax rates depending on your region, such as sales tax or value added tax. Now, for each invoice, you can apply the appropriate tax rates to items by selecting the tax rate field in the invoice editor when adding an item. Wave will automatically calculate the tax for each item and show the total tax at the bottom of the invoice, so you don't have to do any math. After reviewing everything, save and send the invoice to your client, who will then see the tax clearly listed. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you in the next one.